Rodrigo Ibanez. I'm the general manager at the Omni Los Angeles hotel. We are a hotel in downtown LA with 453 rooms and a little bit over 20,000 square feet of meeting space. So I met MLS back in 2009. That's when I first visited the plant, and I was impressed with the level of cleanliness, the level of service, how everyone was being treated as a family. They have 3 plants, they have redundancies in their plants. So Omni Los Angeles Hotel used to have an in-house laundry. The equipment was older and we needed to rehaul everything, so the company decided to outsource the laundry services. The hotel decided to go with a competitor. The quality of the product we were getting from the competitor was not to our expectations, and since I had a relationship in the past with Magic Laundry Services, decided to bring them back on board, and since then we've seen an improvement in our linen, an improvement in our linen deliveries as well. I would not consider any other company to do business with in terms of laundry services.